Hey y'all, it's me Shay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment. Why would you do that? Because this channel is all about positivity. It's about your health, it's about your wealth, it's about your mental, and we are here to spread love. We are here to spread growth. We are here to start journeys together. I'm on a journey as well. If you are not new, welcome babies. Let's get into this video. So as you can see, this is a clean with me video. Now most of you guys know I do have my own little cleaning business, and I say little now because I'm just being honest. It's little because I don't really have a crew yet, but anyways, how I clean in my home is not the way I typically clean in other people's home, especially for deep cleans. So I just want to put that disclaimer out now. Some things that I do in this video, I do them in other people's homes. Some things I don't do, good and bad. But I just make sure I always give people the clean that they deserve, that they need, and that they want and desire. And if I don't execute, I ask them what is it, and I go back and I try to execute. Yeah, what else? So basically I'm just wiping my cabinets. I'm not gonna go through and tell you guys every little thing in detail that I'm doing, as if you're watching this and you can't see for your own two eyes. I just pretty much want to get on here and say thank you for the 5, 8, 10 of y'all who view this video. I'm going to speak it into existence. I know there's going to be thousands of you that come along. Whatever God has on my plate and has in mind to bring to store for me, I'm just grateful and thankful for it all. I'm so blessed. I feel so blessed. I'm preparing for the new year. I hope you guys are too. I hope this video motivates you or encourages you to just get up and either hire a cleaning service to get it done for you, because if you got it to do it, do it. And hey, ain't nobody knocking you for using a cleaning service, especially not me. But and if you don't have the funds to do it, and you do have the legs and arms to do it, then I encourage you to get up and do it. I love cleaning my home. I love cleaning other people's home. This is therapeutic for me. For some people, it may not be therapeutic. So if this is not your therapy, then whatever that is for you, as long as it's healthy, whether it's reading, whether it's hanging out with friends, positive friends, whatever that thing is for you, do your thing. For me, cleaning has always been therapeutic. So I just definitely love deep cleaning. I love deep cleaning my home. Like, it makes me feel so good about myself. I love deep cleaning other people's home. It makes me feel good about myself, and it makes me feel good for them, because I know I'm walking away in like helping them out. I know they can do it themselves probably if they really wanted to, but the fact that I've done something for you that you could do yourself, and maybe you just didn't have the time to do, just makes me feel good as a whole. And that's what it's all about in life. When you're seeking a career, a business, a job, find things that is going to be therapeutic, that you're going to love to do. And not only that, you're also going to feel good about it for others. Like, nursing, if you're saving lives, if you're doing it because you really get a kick and a joy and a loving, and it's therapeutic for you to save lives or help to save a life or help to care for someone, then that may be the career and the job for you. So I just want to encourage you on that as well, to find what you love to do. And if what you do can help others and you can love doing it, then that's the thing for you.
Time for that. You got a baby she need to take care of. Help. God damn it. Shit.
Y'all, he get on my nerves. He play entirely too freaking much. But anyways, comment down below comment down below, when do you clean your home? Like, when do you deep clean your home? Do you do it referring to like before New Year's? Do you do it on New Year's Day? Do you do it New Year's Eve? Do you do it a week before? Like, I just want to know, like, when do y'all typically do y'all deep clean, especially if you have kids? Because me, I just have to fit it in when I can get it in. And this was probably, when was this? This was 2 days after Christmas. So yeah. But I'll probably try to give it a quick deep clean again, probably before New Year's Eve, but baby, it can't be promised. So yeah, I just wanted to know that. So right here, I am going to be using a new product. Well, I don't know if it's new, but y'all gonna hear my baby in the background. Y'all, I don't know if it's new, but I do know it was new for me. Like, I've never tried it before, and I actually liked it. It did clean out my dishwasher well. It did have it smelling good afterwards. Not strong smelling, but just like you could tell, like the dishwasher was like cleaned out. But other than that, like, what is y'all favorite chemical or thing that y'all use that many people probably don't know about? Like, I know people love Dawn dish detergent. I do as well. I even use it to clean counters sometimes, to clean the tub. You'll see I use it for a lot of things. But what's y'all favorite thing that you use that probably a lot of people don't know about? I am so curious to know. Okay, y'all. So, ooh, Lord, look at all these clothes. I just washed and dried these clothes. This is what I have to fold now and put away. I very much hate this part of the cleaning process, except for when I'm doing it for other people, which is weird. But when it comes to folding and putting away my own clothes in my home, it's one of my most distasteful tasks in the house. But what I do sometimes when I have a lot of clothes to fold is, to be honest, first I had to pray and say, God, get me through this. And then second, no, I'm just joking. It ain't that serious. But what I like to do is grab me a glass of wine and turn on some music, and I just kind of like try to like tune it out, basically. Like, as you can see right here, like, I'm gonna get me some wine, I'm gonna turn on me some music, and I'm just gonna set me a vibe, because I'm gonna be sitting down for a good little minute folding all those clothes. And to be honest, I didn't fold all those clothes in one night. I ended up folding, I think, one full basket or two, and then I did the rest of them the next morning, as you'll probably see in this video. But the point is to get it done, and get it done the best way you can get it done. If you need to take a break, or if you need to finish the rest of the next day, do what you got to do as long as you get it done, because nobody wants clothes just sitting around, hanging around, all just everywhere. It's just, when you got your house clean, that's the last thing you want, is a whole bunch of clothes just sitting around everywhere. So once again, if you can't do it, get a cleaning service to do it. But if you can do it, or if you got the time to do it, then just do it. Today I had the time, so it got done. And we're getting close to this end of this video. So as you watch, as you listen, or, you know, however, whatever reason you're playing this right now, I just hope that you get your house clean for the New Year's. I hope you just get to do everything that you plan to do. You know, you don't have to wait on the New Year's to begin. Start now. And, you know, don't procrastinate. Don't wait on it to be the New Year. Start today, if anything. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your year. And I hope you like, subscribe, comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video.